that AI quietly became a supply chain problem. One simple AI feature can depend on a model, licenses, datasets, embeddings, RAG sources, tools, and hosting services. And when something breaks or leaks, teams lose days on one question. What are we actually running? That's what an AIBOM, an AI bill of materials, is. It's an ingredients list for an AI model. What model it is, where it came from, what version you're using, what metadata exists, licenses, links, intended use info, and what's missing. The OWASP AIBOM Generator is an open-source tool that extracts metadata from models hosted on Hugging Face and generates an AIBOM in CycloneDX 1.6 JSON, a standard format used across the SBOM world. You get a human-friendly viewer, a JSON download, and even a PI endpoint so you can automate AIBOM generation in your pipeline. It also computes a completeness score and highlights documentation gaps. Important, a low score doesn't mean the model is unsafe. It usually means you don't have enough transparency to govern it confidently. And that's fixable by improving documentation and metadata. Quick clarity, an AIBOM answers, what model is this and what metadata exists? A model card answers, what is it for and what are its limits? A system card explains the behavior of the full app RAG, tools, guardrails, and an AISBOM is the system-level inventory. Models, data, tools, services, versions. Practical advice. Start with an AIBOM for your highest impact model, then expand toward a system AISBOM. Here's the beginner workflow. 1. Pick one model your team uses in production or plans to ship. 2. Generate the AIBOM in the web UI or via the API. 3. Download the CycloneDX JSON and store it with your release artifacts, your repo, your GRC folder, your deployment bundle. 4. Review the completeness score and the missing fields list. 5. Fix the inputs, model card details, repo docs, metadata so the gaps close. 6. Regenerate and keep it versioned so you can answer what changed later. Bonus. If you have dev, staging, and prod, generate AIBOMs per environment and tag them by deployment version. An AIBOM matters when it feeds real workflows. Use it for vendor due diligence. If it's incomplete, ask harder questions. Use it for change management, no silent model version changes. And use it for incident response, what model and metadata were active when the incident happened, and what changed since the last safe release. Best habit for 2026. Generate an AIBOM for your most important model. Store it with releases and rerun it every time the model or documentation changes.